Add a touch of exotic elegance to your boudoir with this safari-themed jewelry box. A molded plaster elephant creates the focal point, surrounded by a dimensional animal print pattern made up of tactile Sandtastik Colored Floral Sand. Here's what you'll need: Sandtastik Floral Colored Sand in black, art plaster, Sandtastik Elephant Plaster Mold, water, active wire mesh, plain jewelry box, gold, silver, and gunmetal craft paint, Mod Podge, a Ziploc bag, paintbrush, animal print stencil, pencil, tacky glue, and a manila folder. Mix up a batch of art plaster in the Ziploc bag. Trim one corner off of the bag and fill up the elephant mold with the casting compound. Set the piece aside to dry. While the elephant is setting up, you can get to work on painting the box. For this project, we went with a sophisticated metallic color palette, but feel free to mix it up and make it your own. Paint the entire box inside and out, then set it aside to dry. Once the elephant is fully hardened, carefully pop him out of the mold. Fold up a piece of active wire mesh as shown and place the elephant on top. This will help with airflow to speed up the drying time. Once the elephant is completely dry, you can begin painting him in the color of your choice. For this project, we first applied a coat of silver paint. While that first coat of paint is drying, use a pencil to draw your animal print texture. You can use a stencil for this step or go wild and do it freehand. Paint the animal print design on with a brush. For this step, we use some gunmetal colored craft paint. Use a dry brush technique to add detail and dimension to the elephant with a darker silver gunmetal paint. This gives the piece an elegant, antiqued finish. Apply a coat of Mod Podge scaler to the back of the elephant and let dry. Center the elephant onto the box and trace around him with the pencil. Using the pencil line as a guide, apply tacky glue to the back of the elephant and the box as shown. Allow the glue to set up a little before joining the two pieces together. Set the piece aside to dry fully. It looks great already, but this next step uses Sandtastik Floral Sand to take it to the next level. Working in sections, carefully cover the painted areas on the top of the box with tacky glue as shown. Select the Sandtastik Colored Floral Sand of your choice. For this project, we went with a striking black color. Sprinkle the sand over the glue. Give it a few minutes to set up, then tap off the excess sand. Doing this process over a standard manila folder makes it easy to replace the excess sand back into the bottle. Set the piece aside to dry. Once dry, repeat this process on one of the sides. Continue the same technique to add dimensional sand texture to all four sides of the box. Once complete, sit back and admire your beautiful safari-style jewelry box. These products and more available now at Sandtastik.com.